Alright.
There's one right here. Be careful with that one. Oh, there's 3 maybe up here. I don't know.
There are 3, yes.
There's one on
Knock
menu.
one.
Nice
Nice.
knock. That's the easy guy.
One right under me.
Enemies
Oh
ahead.
fuck, I fell down.
I'm going around left.
Another one. Sizes for it.
7 Scrims games we've played. Nice. Okay.
Okay.
Just watched that on stream, that was funny.
Oh, right.
Honestly, he's gonna probably fall down farm 4.
Got him.
Nice, dude.
Holy shit! Absolutely. How the fuck?
Watch out, Nate.
I'm getting shot. Over here, there's a guy over here. The boosters over here.
Got him. He ran into that dude. People are rotating in front of us.
Enemies ahead.
Okay, AC.
Hell no, bro. You ain't driving my way like that.
This is how much space you're gonna
Go
get.
back to like the second floor or something.
No, there has no good visuals.
Knock Bayo. That's like the gas station.
Where was that?
Gas station.
Oh, he's
Oh,
the
they have to
one
cross
that-
to him. Yeah.
Fucking destroy, dude.
Toxic.
I'm just saying, dude. Like, you should rewatch it on the stream. Like, holy shit.
Okay. I think I missed it already. Yeah, I just missed it. Oops.
Oh, they're
Maybe
getting
we'll
ready.
smoke across. Slicky.
Smoking. Knocked 6 on the cross.
Okay. Nice.
Knock one.
Hello.
2 versus 6.
That's like a limo right there.
Yeah.
Fuck, I don't have enough 5-5. I'm not gonna waste 5-5 on that.
Way over here?
Enemies ahead.
Knock one.
Yeah, I seen one.
Excellent. Enemies
Is it
ahead.
over here?
Right here.
Enemies.
Acer, 345.
Tagging twice in the car coming behind us.
Knocked him.
Nice.
Oh, you gangsta, bro.
Really thirst him. Nice.
You got this. Easy 1v4. You good? You hit these. And you do these. Left. You were left. Okay, yeah. Never mind.
One's going right, one's going left.
Ow.
Knocked him.
Out, from behind.
Knocked one. Wait, I think. How? Okay.
Is
Need to
this?
smoke
I
down.
don't see anyone
to-
there.
Knocked the guy over here.
Enemies ahead.
Knocked HH.
Guy smokes.
I got
I'm
supplies.
gonna go.
Running down.
Oh my god, I can't see. Bro, I was actually looking at guys. I'm just.
Acer, give me your car 9 you bought.
Knocked one.
Okay, never mind. Keep your car 9. Never mind.
This car's like half
This team is
nice,
something
so
else.
use it.
Knocked one.
Tell this team to stop shooting our car. KMZ, you guys are trash. Get out of our
I knocked one.